Hello friends, good morning all of you. How are you are doing? I hope all of you doing very well in your career and in your life. Okay. Hope your English journey is going on very well. So friends, in today's video I am going to talk about Rahane's retirement, because you have seen recently few days ago Rahane, who is a great cricketer of India. Rahane is batting a superb when Rahane is playing on the ground, because his personality be calm and peacefully environment around them. Okay, whenever you can see when Rahane is playing batting on the crease, then you have seen and just notice that batting style, how Rahane played under pressure for the India. Okay, so we have so many messages related to Rahane's retirement, why Rahane is left the career from the international, because Rahane knows very well about this Indian generation who are struggling for the own chances, how I selected Indian team. Okay, so friends, it's my opinion, personally opinion, if I am player of the cricketer team, so it's my responsibility how to give chance for those people who are such struggling for the career. Okay, so behalf on this thinking, Rahane's retirement is very lightly and very interesting moment for that career. Okay, when Rahane played in Australia series 2021, so that batting style was superb, and Rahane have already won this his batting style. Okay, then because Rahane scored so many centuries for India, and he played so many interesting moments for his career, for his Indian team, and under the captain Rahane's playing, Rahane's batting styles, all things in the all formats, especially for test format, when Rahane is playing on the crease and in the middle order. Okay, especially middle order. So Rahane's and his team are supporting during the game how to scoring for the heading teaming, so who are under the pressure. Okay, but it's my feeling Rahane's retirement is very shocking for me. I didn't think about that Rahane's retirement is going on soon, but it is very emotional news for me, because I love cricket watching, I love playing cricket. Okay, and along with I love badminton. Okay, so friends, because you all also watching cricket, then you have emotion, you have so many courage, so many emotional thinking related this personality Rahane's. Okay, Rahane's personality is superb, because his guys are be calm and peacefully mindset during the game. He never fight to anyone. Okay, yeah, you can also watch in the movie in that when he is playing, but he never fight anyone. Okay, just like Virat Kohli, whenever Virat Kohli playing on the ground, then he fight to someone, but his personality also very well. Virat Kohli's attitude is superb than any players. Okay, then you can see how Virat Kohli can manage all teams, all players in the team. Okay, so friends, it's very shocking news for me, and because I never think about this that Ajinkya Rahane's retirement is going soon, very right. Okay, so okay, but it is a part of journey, it is a part of career. If I also a player, so one day I will also retire from my career. Okay, so best wishes for the future Ajinkya Rahane's career. Ajinkya Rahane is personal and professional both. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you really want to improve your English, so please try to choose any topics which make you perfect, which make you feel confidence, then you can talk about that topic. Okay, just like us. Okay, thank you so much. If you want to say something, so please you can say. My viewers also watching you.
Basically,
Say something.
Uh,
What do you want to say? Anything about the Ajinkya Rahane?
Ajinkya Rahane is a good batsman also.
Okay, and
That's why so Indian player as he watching your mobile phone and then television, and that's why.
so can you tell us what performance have you memoried for the Ajinkya Rahane's on the ground? If you have any memory, any scoring.
So Ajinkya Rahane was a good batsman
Yes.
and hard working. So and team leadership also. That's why.
Yes. This point is very important because my friend has mentioned leadership quality has really should be important in
Important.
any equality. Okay, so Rahane's is leadership is outstanding.
Yes.
When Rahane's as a captain playing in the ground, so his leadership is outstanding. Okay, because he understands all teams strength and weaknesses and their emotions and their strength. Okay, so yes, leadership quality should be important. If I want to become a leader, so my vision and my first strength how to understand them who are contributing with me. So leadership quality should be important. Okay, thank you so much. Please watching this video and subscribe this channel with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.